Jesus restored a withered hand. And a man with a shriveled hand was there, looking for a reason to bring charges against Jesus. They asked him, "Is it lawful to heal on the Sabbath?" He said to them, "If any of you has a sheep, and it falls into a pit on the Sabbath, will you not take hold of it and lift it out?" How much more valuable is a person than a sheep? Therefore, it is lawful to do good on the Sabbath. Then he said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." So he stretched it out, and it was completely restored, just as sound as other.